Play-doh?
A bowl. A Play-doh.
Play-doh, yes.
No.
Are you going to build something?
How
How about making a little ball?
Oh,
Hey.
no.
What are you doing?
Oh,
You want me to help you make a little ball? Brighton, where are you?
no.
Are you eating the Play-doh?
No.
Don't eat it. You got Play-doh in your teeth. Give me that. Ew. You got Play-doh on your teeth. Ugh. Don't eat the Play-doh. It's gross. You've got food in there on your tray. If you want to eat. Come on, let's build. Can I have some Play-doh? You little stinker. Let me see. Let's make a little ball. Remember? We roll it. Can you make a little ball? Roll it in your hands. Don't put it in your mouth. Brighton, I have to take it away. If you put it in your mouth again, I'll take it away. We're done. So make a ball instead. Good, that's a nice ball. Boo. Let's see your ball. Ooh, it's a nice ball. You looking at the ball through the phone? Yeah, you're rolling up a ball. Good job. A ball? Do you want to make another ball? Look, let's get some more Play-doh. A little ball. See? Okay, ready? 2 balls. Nice. 2 balls. Look. Look, you can squish it. Watch. Yeah. Squish. Pancakes. Roll it in a ball. Make it a ball again. Can you make it a ball? All right, I think you're done. Done with Play-doh. You better pick that up off the floor or you're done. Go, can you go get it? Look, Play-doh's on the floor. You better go get it. 1. Go get the Play-doh. 2. Okay, 3. You didn't get the Play-doh. We're done.